The weight loss market feels like a crowded room where everyone is screaming for your attention at the exact same time. You see a flashy ad. It promises a faster metabolism. It promises suppressed cravings. It claims to give you a massive energy boost while the pounds just melt away. This is the world where Slim Metrix lives right now. It is grabbing headlines. It is popping up in social media feeds. The official website is polished to a mirror finish. They use all the right words. They talk about natural formulas and holistic support. But we have to look past the shiny buttons and the bold fonts. When a single supplement claims to fix 4 or 5 different metabolic issues simultaneously, that is a moment to pause. It sounds perfect. It sounds like the shortcut we all want. However, the reality of human biology is usually much more complicated than a single pill can solve. I spent some time digging into the actual footprint of this product. The marketing is aggressive. They highlight high satisfaction ratings. They push their money-back guarantee very hard. These are classic sales tactics. They are meant to lower your guard. They want you to feel like there is zero risk. But a guarantee is not the same thing as scientific proof. It is just a business policy. One major red flag I noticed is the lack of independent voices. Usually, when a product actually works, the internet is flooded with real stories. You find long threads on forums. You see detailed videos from people who are not being paid to talk. With this specific formula, that trail is surprisingly thin. The long-term reputation just is not there yet. We do not have years of data to look at. We do not have thousands of unbiased testimonials to lean on. Transparency is the gold standard in health. If a company is vague about their history or their testing, you have to ask why. This does not mean the product is a total fake. It just means the evidence is not caught up to the hype. Every body is different. Your chemistry is unique. A supplement might react one way for your neighbor and a totally different way for you. Diet still matters. Sleep still matters. Movement still matters. There is no magic capsule that can outpace a poor lifestyle. If you are leaning toward trying it, please do your homework first. Look at each individual ingredient on its own. See what the actual clinical studies say about those specific plants or minerals. Do not just take the website's word for it. They're trying to sell you a dream. Your job is to protect your health and your wallet. We see these trends come and go every few months. Some stick around because they provide real value. Others vanish because they were all smoke and mirrors. Right now, this one is sitting in a gray area. It is not an obvious scam in the traditional sense. It exists. It ships. People receive it. But the gap between the marketing claims and the verified results is quite wide. Approach this with a healthy dose of skepticism. You deserve to know exactly what you are putting into your system. Never let a flashy sales page rush you into a decision about your physical well-being. Take your time. Be critical. The best investment you can make is always informed and cautious. Research the background of the company. Look for third-party lab results. If those things are missing, your money might be better spent elsewhere. Real health is a marathon, not a sprint. Do not let the promise of a quick fix distract you from the long game. Take a breath and think it through before clicking buy.